everyone, welcome to my new channel. I have called this channel Healthy Cooking, and I want to thank you to all my friends and family that encouraged me to open this channel, and I hope you feel better and enjoy my recipes. Okay guys, first of all I want to mention that the purpose of this video is just sharing my healthy recipes with you, therefore encouraging you guys to eat healthy and feel better. So I want to clarify that all these videos are not to intend healing, curing, or stopping any kind of condition or disease. On the contrary, all the content of these videos are simply recommendations and my recipes that I suggest. So if you consider check with your family physician or health specialist about any food allergy or other conditions you might have. Okay, I choose this Tabule parsley salad because this is a super powerful food. And I want to talk to you about some of these properties of this parsley. So according with the Reader's Digest of Canada, parsley is a powerful food since it has vitamin C, A, D, V, and K, and well, it has iron also, potassium, so it prevents wrinkles, protects against bone fractures, and helps make the protein for bones and blood clotting to fix digestive disorders, bladder infections, menstrual cramps, fight on heart diseases, protect your eyes. So helps to reduce also water retention and bloating. So it's a balancing blood sugar, help to prevent degenerative effects and diabetes, or in the liver reducing the risk of cancer. It has a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, so improving your immune system, fighting against allergies. Well, so let's start with the recipe. You will need a bowl of 12 inches per 4 inches high, and this will be for 6 to 8 servings. In a separate container, mix the vinegar, olive oil, and squish the lemons. Mix these 3 ingredients perfectly. Take some parsley and chopped in small pieces. Then continue with the rest until finished. Then cut the orange pepper in half and chop 1/2 in small pieces. Do the same with the yellow pepper. Cut the whole tomato in small pieces as well. And also the cucumber. Leaving the skin on will add more vitamins to our salad. Chop the half of the onion in small pieces. Place the onion into the bowl and add the mix of vinegar, olive oil, and lemon juice. Allow it to rest 2 minutes. This will kill the onion's strong flavor. Then add the parsley, tomato, and peppers. Also add the cucumber. Finally, add the Italian sesame seeds and salt. Mix everything perfectly. And voila! You can combine this delicious, colored, and nutritious salad with pasta, fish, and chicken, also with meat. Enjoy! you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Send me your comments and subscribe to my channel so you will receive more healthy and easy recipes. Blessings and see you next week. And don't forget, eat healthy and feel better. Bye bye.